Hi, today I'm with me POCO M5 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on that device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should first slide at the same time to the center with our fingers and click here to this more icon, to settings icon. Then tap here to more, and after that you'll see here Google Discover switcher. Click once on the switcher. Now let's go back to the home screen, and we can see when we slide with our finger to the right side, Google Discover is turned off. If you want to turn it on, again go here back to the settings, click to more, and tap once on the switcher to activate Google Discover. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.